Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to do my crimped hair tutorial like the Kim Kardashian. If I find a picture I will show you somewhere here on the screen. If you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe down below, and all my social medias will be down below also in the description bar. So let's get to this video. So for the first thing we are going to do, we are going to part our hair. I'm going to start right here from the crown. We're going like that, put it into sections. Turn around so you can see. And this part right here, the line here, does not have to be as perfect, because you're still going to get every part of your hair crimped. So that does not have to be perfect. Okay, to grab a ponytail or a hair clip. And if you guys see me looking this way, it's because I have like a monitor. I needed to see if I'm in if it's like clear, like it's not blurry. So if I look this way, it's because of that. Okay. Next, we're gonna grab. So we made two sections. We're gonna grab this section first. And you can have it small, big, whatever, it does not matter. So it's like a medium size. So here's the hot tool I'm going to use. You can get this anywhere, really. So, right here. I'm going to show you guys a few pieces, and then it's going to go, I'm going to speed this up. I have it on the hottest because my hair is thick, like medium thick, not like thin thick. And like I said, if you see me looking this way, I don't have a mirror, so I'm looking here. But I'm going to grab them real quick once I'm done with this piece. And since it's on the hottest setting, you don't need to leave it on too long. Especially the ends. I don't like to leave it on for too long because on the ends. See, here's your piece. You can tell the difference from the straight hair and then the crimped hair. So I'm going to show you guys one more time. I'm just going to get a mirror so I could see what I'm doing real quick. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I grabbed another piece of section. I'm going to show you guys one more time, and then I'm going to speed the video up a little bit. Another piece done. So I'm going to speed up this video, finish. I'm going to do a couple pieces on here, just like to finish the side real quick. And yeah. this side is finished. I love the way it turns out, like, and you guys can do this like a heatless way. You can just braid your hairs too. But I love how this comes out. And you can like really see the difference between this side and this side. I love it. It gives my hair so much volume. I mean, I have like more volume in the roots than I have like at the very end of my hair. But I love it. So we're going to move on to this side now. So I'm going to show you a few pieces on this side, and then I'm going to speed up the video like I did last time on this side. The same thing, but I'm going to be taking more bigger chunks than I did on this side. Very pretty. See that wave it does to it? Wow. Okay, I'm gonna do one more piece for you guys. My hair is pretty long also, so I'm gonna like lift it up more so you guys can see the ends also. And like I said, I don't leave it on the ends for too long. So it's really damaging. See? So I'm going to finish this side and I will be right back. So I finished both sides. I'll show you what it looks like in the back. So this is what it looks like. So I already have this piece ready to be crimped. I'm going to turn more this way so you can see what I'm doing. It's pretty simple. Just leave it on for a couple seconds. Depends how thick or thin your hair is. This piece is done. I love it. Okay, we're gonna grab another piece, and then after this part, I'm going to speed up the video and I'll finish the rest. For the roots, I'm doing the bigger pieces instead of smaller pieces, just to have more volume. I'm going to finish this half of the head, and then once I'm done, I'll be back and I'll show you this part of the head. So this side is all finished. I'm not sure if I'm going to do my bangs because they're a little too short and I don't want to burn my scalp. So this is what it looks like. I try to get as close as possible to the scalp without burning myself to get more volume in the scalp and the crown area. But yeah, that's what it looks like. And it's like, if it's too like unnatural, you can always brush it out, but me personally, I just wouldn't. So I'm going to untie this, and once I have all that ready, I will be back to show you a piece and then finish it off. So I already have my piece ready. And it's a big chunk. Like I said, it's better to do big chunks at the root so you can have more volume. Try to get as close as possible to the root for some volume, but without burning yourself. You can see the waves coming in. I really love this hairstyle, but I don't really do it often because I dislike styling my hair, like curling it, straightening it, whatever to do with styling it. I don't like styling my hair as much, especially in the summer. I just either have it up, have it in a braid, or leave it down, or have it in a bun, because it's just too hard to do all that for nothing. So yeah. Okay, so it looks like perfect. So I'm gonna finish this side and I'll be back to show you the results. So this is the end results. It's very pretty. It's very voluminous. I love this look. Like, I love it, but I hardly do it because, like I said, I dislike doing my hair. 100% dislike it. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe down below, and all my social medias will be down below also, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.
I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back.